Hi guys, welcome to another exciting video. In today's video, we will be solving a practical substitution into formula question in mathematics, right? So let's quickly delve into the question. This is series 19 and our question for the day is find the value of y in the equation where e equals 700 and z equals 1, right? So our given equation is y equals the fraction e minus 300z over z plus 1, right? So in solving it, based on the preamble of the question, our given equation is y equals the fraction e minus 300z over z plus 1, right? So we are going to get our equation to be after inserting our given values as y equals the fraction 700 minus 300 multiplying 1 over 1 plus 1, right? So 300 multiplying 1 is 300, right? Any number multiplying itself is that same number, right? So like any number multiplying 1 is that same number. So we are going to have our y to be 700 minus 300 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are going to have our y to be 700 minus 300 over 2. So we are going to have our y to be 400 over 2, which is 200. So our y is 200, right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe